Hey folks, this is Eliud again, and here I am again to show you a demo of a picture app that basically allows you to track your pictures, have your pictures in the app, and make notes about those pictures. And so, first, it is a very small project, but it shows you kind of like how it gives you a perspective of how Swift works. And so first we have the root of our app right here, which I gave named the PictureApp, and that receives a protocol just for you to know that Swift is an object-oriented language that allows you to build apps by building structures and classes and stuff like that. And so we have here our struct, which struct is basically the same thing as a class, but there are small differences. Um, and one of the differences is that classes are passed by reference and struct are not. And so we create here our struct, which is picture app, and we have a protocol of app, and we just display the content view. And the content view is actually right here, which receives a variable of our class or struct of photo node view, a photo node view model, and this photo node view model is passed into as a parameter into our photo node list view, and this photo node list view is the UI that you're seeing right here, which receives the photo node view model as a parameter. If we go to our photo node list view right here, it basically just shows you how we built the UI. We use labels, texts right here. We use texts right here. It shows that we don't have a picture yet, but once it has a picture, it will show the picture and as well the notes of it. And here is when it has a picture, we just iterate through the amount of pictures we have, which is a photo node, a type that we created. If you're really familiar with TypeScript, you can create different types. And so we created this type of photo node, and we iterate through the pictures that are in there, or we iterate through the photo nodes that are in there, and it displays how many of them have through this photo node row, which is basically right here. It's the same thing as an UI that we just built that takes the image to display, and then takes a caption that we write, and takes the data, the time when it happened. Just to show you, let me add a picture here from really quick. Let's say Eliud, and then save it. And so basically this is what it's showing right here in these little boxes right here through the photo node list view, which shown through the iteration. All right, so the edit photo node view is basically this view right here that allows us to edit and add or remove. And we can actually remove it by sliding. And the model is just basically what we passed to this photo node list view. And the model contains all the functions to load nodes, to show, to save the nodes and delete the nodes, and other functions. And like I said, if you're really used to TypeScript, this is kind of like a type of a photo node that we create. It contains an ID, contains a caption, like the picture that you saw here contains a caption, contains the date that it was created, and so on. And the image picker, and this is just the logic or how we started. We have an init function that basically populate all the information into this type or object that we created. Um, Image, basically just how the handling of how we pick the image. We can either take a picture or choose from the library and pass it there and give the caption and save it. That's it. So that's it. That's our little project right here. Feel free to leave a comment, and thanks